So this is Windows 11 and I can prove it to you. This says Windows 11. Now Microsoft said that Windows 10 was going to be the last version of Windows. The last version of Windows. Windows as a service. That is disgusting. But this is Windows 11. Did they lie to us? The thing is, kinda. Let's close this. Now, there is this bug. I think it's here since Windows XP, where you go to the Explorer, go to Windows System 32, and there's this thing, ZHC, and that is the sticky keys things that happens when you click Shift 5 times. Now, this is not sticky keys. This is CMD. Do take on /F ZHC.exe, well, properties, security, and basically enable this for everyone. And what that means is that let's log off. I've logged the ISO in here. So we are not logged into Windows 11, and we still have thing. And I don't know if you can see it, but the corners are square instead of this. Looks like Windows 10. I mean, some icons, animations will be like 11 because some DLLs have changed. But the funny thing, if you type in Explorer, and you can see this is like Windows XP, maybe with 95. I don't know. It maybe not work. Oh, yep, there is. That is the taskbar from Windows 10. Yeah, it's completely the one from Windows. You don't even have this in 11. You don't have Cortana. Search doesn't work, but it's there. You can add toolbars. You can have desktop in here, and sometimes you might even get it to show the desktop. Like it's a bit crazy. And you even have control center. Yeah, that's not copied from Apple or anything. No, it is really slow. Like you can launch Microsoft Edge, you know, and it works. Yeah, that's cool. Not even sign in. Now, some things don't work, but the name of the user that's logged in is system. Well, it kinda froze, but the name is system, and you might be able to show the desktop. I was able to once while trying to test this, trying to get to the desktop, but it's quite complicated. Hi, future myself here, and I've realized that what I was doing is wrong. Let me say this. First, restart the system and not log in. And my keyboard stopped working. Oh, no, it works. Nope. So I have a script, an AutoHotkey script. It's in my user profile. You launch it. That's it. Press this. That's pretty much it. You already have a desktop. Not everything works though, but something does. And you can launch Chrome. Chrome your own. Oops. No, it crashed. Okay, I will leave the hotkey in the description. You need so just install AutoHotkey. Then you can just launch that script as a file, and that's it. Time for past myself. We're not finished yet. You know when Microsoft like, oh, use OneDrive instead of something good? Well, if your machine tells you that, you will get a Windows 10 setup. Now, the Windows 11 one looks like this. You know, pretty Windows 11 looking. But this is my picture. It happened. It actually happened. Oh, we're not done yet. Okay, so we're gonna launch Discord. See that? Fucking see that? That says Windows 10. That just says Windows 10. Like it's garbage. Actually, I'm sure there's not even like a compatibility mode thing for Windows 10. It's just the same. No, there's no option for Windows 10 because this says Windows 10. So yeah, that's Windows 11 being a saucy imposter backup. And I hope you like this video. Bye.